It's Sunday, February 22nd, 2015, and I'm Jim Sullivan with your NeoWeather.com video forecast. A much quieter start to your Sunday. It is still mostly cloudy. There's still some fog floating around, especially inland from Lake Erie. Temperatures rising into the lower 20s, so that's not too bad compared to what we've been seeing lately. A little bit of snow moving in from the northwest. That's with our next blast of Arctic air. The snow will get here tonight, and then we'll drop once again. Taking a look across the entire country now, you can see another big blast of cold air, very impressive, moving into the upper Midwest and upper Great Lakes this morning. Lots of areas 10 to 20 below, even colder in some spots than that. The leading edge of it is with these snow showers over southern Michigan, northern Indiana. So yes, that will be getting here pretty soon. We have a winter storm gathering in the plains. Winter storm warnings for Dallas, Texas. They're expecting a significant amount of sleet. Winter storm watches all the way into parts of Louisiana, so the deep south is going to get some wintry precipitation thanks to this very cold air mass. A little bit more snow in New England this morning. I saw a few more reports of roofs collapsing in that region because they have gotten a record amount of snow over the last 30 days by a wide margin. This is an unprecedented stretch of winter for that part of the country. Luckily, it looks like that might be calming down here over the coming weeks, hopefully. Coming back to Cleveland, looking at the numbers now. Yesterday we did 26 and 12, well below the averages of 39 and 25, but much warmer than recently. We saw 38 hundredths of an inch of liquid equivalent at Hopkins, and allegedly only 2.7 inches of snow. That's probably about 2 inches too low because they don't know how to measure snow at the airport. However, even with that ridiculous snowfall measurement, we're up to 22.9 inches of snow on the month of February, which puts this February into the top 10 snowiest Februaries in Cleveland, Mansfield, Akron, Canton, Youngstown, all in the midst of a top 5 snowiest February at those locations. And we'll talk much more about that over the coming days. Sunset tonight is 6:09. Here's a look at a few more snowfall reports. A general 3 to 6 inches fell across our entire area, right on target with what we were expecting. Euclid got a little bit more. They're the only spot I could find that actually had over 6 inches. Wadsworth, Akron, Canton Airport, Salem down there in Columbiana County all got half a foot. And then a general 4 or 5 inches across the rest of the area. New London, way to the west out there in Huron County, they got a little bit less, 3.1. Another light to moderate snow event to add to the tally. There's been a lot of them lately. And there's just a little bit more snow on the way late this afternoon, this evening, as that cold front drops through. Could drop a trace to 2 inches. The best chance for an inch or two will be in the high ground south of Cleveland and also the snow belt east of Cleveland. Most areas are just going to see a very light amount, though. Temperatures getting into the mid to upper 20s today. And then tonight, the big plunge once again, getting well below zero. Wind chills 10 to 20 below. Expect wind chill advisories to be issued. They're already out for Tuscarawas, Carroll, and Columbiana tonight into the day on Monday. I expect those to be issued for everywhere else as well. It will definitely be cold enough. Looking ahead now on one of our forecast computer models, you can see the snow showers starting to move our way late this afternoon and especially this evening along that cold front. There will be just enough instability that there could be some moderate bursts of snow that briefly reduce the visibility and maybe drop a quick light amount of snow. And then there will be a narrow window later this evening until around midnight or so, maybe 2 a.m., where we could get a few snow showers all the way from Upper Lake Michigan to move in and keep light snow chances going in the snow belt. That's why I allowed for up to 2 inches of accumulation, but Lake Erie, it's frozen. There will not be too much moisture picked up off of Lake Erie. It'll be very limited, so I'm not expecting this to be a big surprise. Again, maybe a couple inches, that should be it. By the time we head towards Monday morning, the air mass really dries out, so that should allow the snow showers to gradually end later tonight, and it'll allow the skies to clear a little bit too by Monday morning, which will assist in temperatures getting colder. Big picture forecast chart time now. Still a very cold weather pattern. Here's a look at the upper level jet stream coming straight down from the North Pole towards the Great Lakes, keeping us well below average. Interesting cutoff low here over the southwest that is ejecting some moisture and energy east across the deep south as this cold comes in from the north. That's why they're getting that chance for wintry precipitation there over the next few days. We have another system diving down here. It'll affect us Tuesday into Wednesday. Initially, it'll bring us a modest warm-up with maybe a little bit more snow before it moves through and the Arctic is unleashed with that straight flow from the North Pole still. Very active subtropical jet stream here across the south, so it wouldn't shock me maybe if there are more chances for some snow or some ice somewhere across the south this week. If you're traveling down there, monitor the latest forecast because there's going to be very cold air still coming in from the north and an active jet stream down here. Now, as I skip way ahead to next weekend, it'll take a second to load, the pattern starts to relax just a little bit. The flow, it is still straight from the North Pole pretty much, but the core of the coldest air shifts to our west a little bit. That gives warm air a little bit of an opportunity to try and sneak northward next weekend. That may mean some sort of a wintry storm. It may also mean some milder temperatures, so hopefully we're starting to gradually turn the corner after the deep freeze we've been in for a good week to 10 days now. That'll continue through the rest of this week. For reference, the Great Lakes are 82 to 83% ice covered right now, so what that means is when these air masses flow in, they're not warmed up by the Great Lakes. That means less lake effect, which is good, but it also means much colder temperatures. In addition, through the day Saturday, February of 2015 is the second coldest February on record in Cleveland, and there's a good chance that will drop another degree or so this week, and you'll see that on the 7-day in a second. And just to give you some perspective before I show you the 7-day, upcoming record lows for Monday and Tuesday, good chance some more of these will be broken, so keep these numbers in the back of your mind. So through the next week, here we go again. Tomorrow there will be a good amount of sunshine, but temperatures stuck in the single digits. Wind chills still 5 to 15 degrees below zero on Monday. Bundle up. Monday night below zero once again. Again, some records are probably going to fall Sunday and Monday nights across the area. Tuesday, we increase the clouds ahead of our next storm system. A little bit of light snow possible Tuesday night into Wednesday. Shouldn't be a ton, but it'll unleash the cold once again. Falling temperatures Wednesday, below zero again Wednesday night. Thursday, we struggle to get above 10, and it could be another very cold night Thursday night. Maybe some more record lows being broken. Friday, Saturday, we do slowly start to recover as the pattern starts to relax, although still not warm. And these temperatures, as forecast, would easily make February of 2015 the coldest on record in Cleveland, so we'll see how that holds up over the next week. All right, with NeilWeather.com, I'm Jim Sullivan. Thanks for watching. Check us out again tomorrow.